Guys, Pokemon Master Boy back again with another video, and today I'm gonna show you a new fidget spinner I got. That yellow Batman one I got, one of the lights weren't working, so I returned it and got an even better one. This one's gold. In a case, and here it is. This one I think is awesome. Comes with a sweet case. And look at this. I would show you all mine, but I'm gonna make this video quite short because I got something going on that I'll show you in this video. So yeah, this one is pretty cool. Pretty cool. I really like spinning this one. The money one is still my favorite, but I really like to just spin this one the most. So yeah, pretty cool. And now for the surprise. If you haven't known that I'm getting a pool, that it's getting set up today, and they're all out. Everything is like all big, like kind of destroyed. I don't know. Wait a sec. See all the stuff being destroyed. Because it's going to be fully built today, so yeah. Hopefully I might be able to swim in it. So yeah, I might make a video of it, of me swimming in it. But if I'm going to make a video of me swimming in it, it'll probably be tomorrow. So I'm really excited, can't wait for it to be set up. Well, for it to be done. So yeah, thanks for watching. And yeah, I made this spell. So bye. Thanks for watching. Peace out.